This is QuickTime Technology, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to upload a video to Instagram on your Mac computer using an application called Grammarly. So without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing you have to do is go to your dock, go to your web browser, which is Safari in this case, open up Grammarly, open up Instagram, and open up your YouTube. So go to Video Manager and download any video. I'll just go to my most viewed, download the first video. So unboxing Beat Solo 3 etc. And once that's downloaded, the video will open up, and then minimize this. Now trim the video to about 1 minute. So if I just click on this, Command T will trim the video, and we only need it for 1 minute. So I'll just take the best part, 110 all the way to 210, 211. Trim this, and now call this Beats or whatever the video is about. So save, that's saved to the desktop, I should assume. Yes, and now go to Safari and go to Grammarly. Make this smaller, take the video, drag it and drop it, and then now we can choose a cover photo. So choose the best cover photo, use as cover photo, go back and do that. So drag a section of the video, yes, and now we can tag the video up correctly, so then we can get it noticed by people around the whole wide world. So depending on how fast your connection is, that's how long it will take to upload. So I could go back to my videos, go to edit, and just take some information from here. So just take all this, go back to Grammarly, paste this. I'll just say new video, link in bio, keep hashtagging and say Beats. Beat Solo 3. Special edition, silver, wireless, headphones, Beats headphones. QTT technology, and then we are ready to send this video to Instagram. It says this should take a minute if you have a reliable connection. So once that is uploaded, we can go to Instagram to see the video itself. Your upload will now appear in your Instagram profile. So we did not have the option where it says you can get free likes, but don't worry, that will be a separate video. So if I go to Instagram now, refresh the page, there you go, there is my video that I uploaded to Instagram using Grammarly on a Mac computer. So close out of Safari. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.